How to make halal chicken fried rice. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today, I would like to explain how to make halal chicken fried rice. First, prepare the ingredients. You will need 2 cups of leftover steamed rice, 150 grams of halal chicken breast cut into small pieces, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, let me tell you the steps. First, begin by saying Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim to seek blessings for your food. Next, heat the vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Then, sauté the minced garlic until it becomes fragrant. After that, add the diced halal chicken and cook it until the meat turns white and is fully cooked. Then, gently add the leftover steamed rice, remembering that Islam teaches us not to waste food. Stir the rice well with the chicken. After that, season the fried rice with sweet soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Stir-fry everything for about 3 more minutes until all the ingredients are well combined. Finally, turn off the heat and serve the warm fried rice on a clean plate. Before enjoying the meal, say Alhamdulillah as gratitude for the provision Allah has given us.